Welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. I'm Matt Lalazern, Director of Geospatial Services, here with Trevor Tyson, our Senior Mobile Mapping Manager. Today, we're visiting the Gateway Expressway and I-275 Express Lanes project in St. Pete, Florida to highlight our new Regal VMX 2HA mobile mapping system. Our role on this high-profile Tampa Bay Next project includes a geodetic control survey to establish the primary network control as well as secondary control and targeting. Mobile LiDAR, so mobile LiDAR collection on all the paved surfaces, including the on-ramps and the interchange. Aerial LiDAR, which is going to collect all the off-pavement features and then any obscured areas. Hydrographic information is going to be collected on the water areas just outside of the interstate and underneath the bridges. All this will be combined together into a seamless 3D surface model. Start to completion, we're looking at a 3 to 4 month schedule. Traditional methods would typically take between 8 to 12 months, so we're reducing that schedule in half. Let's get the equipment set up. So one of the neat things about this system is we got a electric lift, so if there's anything that gets in the way, you release the button and it automatically stops. It also significantly reduces potential safety hazards of people trying to lift up the sensor, bring it into the air, set it onto its mounting system. So it fully stays mounted. It allows a full enclosure that's watertight, and it's significantly faster from startup to acquisition time. Right now, Trevor's installing the base unit that holds our 2 downward-facing concrete mapping cameras. These 2 cameras are high resolution, high frequency. What that allows this team to do is identify any kind of pavement distress, so alligator cracking, longitudinal cracking, and we can take that and then map that in geospatial positioning relative to the project. It allows the designers to identify what needs to be replaced, what needs to be repaired, significantly reducing costs on the construction side. All right, we got our laser system and our camera set up. Let's get to collecting data.
So the basic layout of RideAcquire is on the right-hand side, you get to see the LiDAR view. Each one of these little blocks is where we're actually taking an image is taken on our forward-facing and rear-facing cameras. On the left side is our actual camera preview. These are the actual exposure, but this is a preview so that we can adjust for any brightness. So this scanner has the ability to run at posted speed, so we don't have to really change much of the driving patterns. Driving with this sensor is very similar to just driving on the road. While we're running through the run, I just kind of help out. There's just a second set of eyes for safety reasons in the truck. I also can look at the telemetry data of the system, make sure there's nothing going wrong. You can see the 2 bridge decks we just drove on. Here's another bridge deck we're driving under. So you can you get a kind of a cartoon image of what you're ultimately going to see, but you get to see that coverage. We can collect 50 miles in a day without having to put crews on the side of the road.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. We'll catch you next time.